December the 6th, 2017, 2 p.m., 1308 Norris, padlock renovation. Large trash out, entertainment stand, tables, chairs, bicycle clothes. Boxes everywhere. All need to be removed. Need spray for roaches. Multiple hairline cracks in the ceilings and the walls. Needs to be repaired. Several black markers and nail holes throughout. All the trim, all the doors and cases need to be painted as well. Multiple ceilings need to be painted due to hairline cracks. It's not our color. It's yellow and white. Missing receptacle cover. $11 blinds missing, one's broken. Appears to be food stains on the ceilings. Gonna need to be painted. Food stains on all the walls. Missing the cover of the kitchen cabinets. Needs to be replaced. Add no power to check any of the appliances. More trash needs to be removed. Hairline cracks. Three broken window panes. The window needs to be replaced. More markings on the walls. Room floors has surface scratches and some damage. Needs to be checked out. Markers on the closet doors gonna need to be painted. There's tape on the wall in the bedroom. I don't know the reason why. It needs to be removed and repaired. Any repairs are needed. More missing blinds. Another ceiling is gonna need to be painted. Swing stopper not working, needs to be replaced or repaired. The seats loose. Recaulk the bathtub, toilet, and the sink. Receptacle covers painted on, needs to be replaced. Possible mildew stains in the bedroom. Needs to be checked out and repaired. More missing blinds. The closet's going to be painted as well. That's about it.